Good morning, class 8, subject science, unit 12, mixer, Nepali, Misran. Question number 1, define chromatography, name some absorbents or absorbing materials. Answer, chromatography is a technique or process to separate coloring or colored pigments from a mixer. Some absorbents or absorbing materials are as follows: chalk dust, silica gel, alumina or aluminum oxide, filter paper, etc. Question number 2. Mention 3 advantages or uses of chromatography. Chromatography is used for the following reasons. I. To separate ink colors or coloring pigments from a mixer. Number II. To purify industrial products. Number III. To find drug in blood and urine. Question number 3. Define distillation and mention its types. Distillation is a process of separating a mixture in which one of the liquids is changed into vapor, means evaporated, and cooling the vapor at another vessel to collect it and separate a solute. Two types of distillation are as follows: simple distillation or steam distillation. It is also called desalination. For example, getting salt from seawater or ocean water. Fractional distillation. This process is used to separate liquids, miscible liquids having different boiling points. For example, alcohol and water. Here, chromatography and distillation are the two important processes which are learned in class 8. Question number 4. Draw a neat and level diagram to show the process of chromatography and distillation. You try it yourself. Question number 5. How can you separate the following mixtures? Name the methods or processes. Number A. Salt from sea water or ocean water. How to find? Either steam distillation or simple distillation. It is also called desalination, means getting salt from seawater. B. Colored pigments or ink colors. Chromatography is used to separate coloring pigments. C. Camphor or iodine or naphthalene balls or any sublimes from a mixture of anything like sand, salt, water, etc. Any solid. The process is sublimation. D. Alcohol and water. Fractional distillation. Because these two liquids are miscible, they mix each other, but they boil at different temperatures. For example, alcohol boils at 78 degrees Celsius, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So you can easily separate alcohol from water by fractional distillation. E number: iron particles, sand, salt, and camphor from a mixer. Four things are mixed: iron particles, sand, salt, and camphor. First of all, use a magnet to separate iron particles. This process is magnetic separation. Iron particles are separated. Three things are left: sand, salt, and camphor. Now, sublimation to separate camphor or iodine or naphthalene balls. Camphor. Number 3, filtration after adding water. Pani thapera. Here, salt is soluble in water, but sand is insoluble in water. By filtration, we can easily separate what? Sand and salt. Finally, evaporation to separate water and salt. Water and salt. Upload.